Welcome to Malnath Cashews, nurturing nature's bounty, crafting excellence. Our company and the brand name, elegantly crafted in English script, symbolize our commitment to excellence and innovation in cashew processing. Our logo, featuring a unique ball motif incorporating M and C, represents our dedication to quality from raw kernels to finished products. At Malnath Cashews, we harness nature's bounty to create exceptional products. Our tagline, Nurturing Nature's Bounty, Crafting Excellence, reflects our ethos of sustainability and craftsmanship. Blending tradition with innovation, Malnath Cashews exemplifies our passion for quality and respect for nature. In the heart of Karnataka's Udupi district lies a story of innovation and dedication that began in 1995. Malnath Cashews, where our commitment to quality and sustainability is woven into every kernel we produce. From humble beginnings, Malnath Cashews has grown to pioneer cutting-edge technologies in cashew processing. Our journey started with a vision to empower rural employment through technological innovation. Driven by Mr. Shetty's vision and leadership, Malnath Cashews now processes over 400 bags of cashews daily. Our team of industry experts ensures that every cashew meets the highest standards of quality and flavor. We uphold stringent quality control measures, adhering to international standards at every step. Situated across sprawling acres in Hengavalli and Shedimane villages, our facilities combine state-of-the-art technology with eco-conscious practices. We are committed to sustainability, integrating solar energy and eco-friendly initiatives into our operations. At Malnath Cashews, each kernel tells a story of dedication, innovation, and the pursuit of excellence. Join us on our journey as we continue to craft nature's bounty into extraordinary cashew products. Malnath Cashews, where tradition meets innovation to bring you the finest cashews from India's Western Ghats. Once upon a time, a tale of magic and wonder began to unfold. Nestled amidst the fertile soils and verdant canopies of northeastern Brazil, a majestic tree known as the cajueiro, or cashew tree, bore witness to a revelation that would echo across continents and through centuries, the discovery of the cashew. From its lofty heights, the cajueiro spread its branches far and wide, casting a verdant shade over the land. At its heart bloomed the cashew apple, a marvel of nature that dazzled in hues of radiant yellow and crimson. Its alluring appearance belied a secret concealed within, a double-shelled nut of unparalleled richness and flavor, known as the cashew nut. But the story of the cashew did not end there. Across oceans and continents, the tale of this exotic treasure spread, finding a new home in the lush green landscapes of India's coastal and its surrounding areas, a region known as Malnad, where the monsoon-fed forests breathe life into every leaf and branch. Here, amid the mist-laden hills and fertile valleys, the cashew found a second home, thriving in the tropical embrace of Malnad. From the hands of skilled cultivators, the legacy of the cashew flourished anew, evolving into Malnath Cashews, renowned for their unparalleled taste and quality, a testament to the region's rich biodiversity and dedication to preserving nature's bounty. As Malnath Cashews journeyed from tree to table, they carried with them the essence of their origins, a story of discovery, resilience, and the enduring bond between humanity and the natural world. So, as you savor the rich, buttery flavor of Malnath Cashews, remember the journey that brought them from the sun-dappled groves of northeastern Brazil to the misty heights of India's surroundings of western coastal area to its surrounding areas of Malnad. Let each nut be a testament to nature's bounty, resilience, and the timeless allure of the cashew, a story that continues to unfold with every harvest, inviting you to partake in its delicious legacy. In our meticulously maintained godown, raw cashews are stored under optimal conditions to preserve their freshness and quality before processing begins. Skilled workers carefully remove bags of raw cashews from storage, preparing them for the thorough washing process that ensures cleanliness and quality. In the washing process, raw cashews are thoroughly cleaned with fresh water to remove any impurities, ensuring they meet our high standards of quality and safety. The boiler is utilized to generate the necessary steam and heat, efficiently cooking the cashews to enhance their flavor and texture. The cooker is employed to steam the cashews, ensuring they are evenly cooked to perfection. Skilled worker delicately extract the perfectly cooked cashews from the cooker, ensuring each batch is handled with care to maintain its quality and integrity. Their precision and attention to detail guarantee that only the finest cashews proceed to the next stage of processing. The boiled cashews are carefully stored in bins, ready for the next stage of processing, where they will be further refined. The raw cashew sizer machine is an advanced piece of equipment designed to accurately separate cashews into specific sizes like A, B, C, and D. This precise sorting ensures that each cashew is optimally categorized, which significantly enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of the cutting machines in the next stage. By providing uniform sizes, the sizer machine streamlines the cutting process. This meticulous sorting facilitates optimal performance of the cutting machines, enhancing overall productivity and product quality. The cutting section is a critical area in our cashew processing facility, where precision and efficiency are paramount. Advanced cutting machines slice the cashews with remarkable accuracy, ensuring uniformity in size and shape. Skilled workers oversee the operation, monitoring the equipment and making adjustments as necessary to maintain optimal performance. Each cashew is handled with care to preserve its quality and integrity during the cutting process. The layout of the cutting section is designed to streamline workflow, allowing for smooth transitions between stages of production. This meticulous approach ensures that only the finest cashews move forward, reflecting our commitment to excellence in every step of our processing journey. After the raw cashews are separated by size, they are sent to designated bins, ready for the precision cutting process. The cashew cutting machine is an advanced piece of equipment that precisely slices the cashews, ensuring each piece meets our rigorous quality standards. Designed for efficiency, the machine minimizes waste and maximizes yield, contributing to a more sustainable production process. Its automation ensures consistent, high-quality cuts, enhancing the overall quality of our cashew products. The cashew cutting machine is meticulously engineered to handle even the smallest cashews with exceptional precision. Following the cutting process, the cashews are subjected to a thorough separation procedure to effectively distinguish between the shells and the nuts. After the initial separation, skilled workers manually inspect the cashew kernels to ensure any remaining shell fragments are meticulously removed. Additionally, workers carefully inspect the shell pieces to recover any remaining cashew nuts. After the initial separation process, skilled workers diligently inspect the shell pieces to identify any remaining cashew nuts. This meticulous manual inspection ensures that no valuable nuts are missed, maximizing yield and minimizing waste. Each worker is trained to carefully sift through the shells, using keen attention to detail to recover any hidden nuts. Their efforts are crucial in maintaining the efficiency and quality of our cashew processing, ensuring that every nut is utilized to its fullest potential. Our state-of-the-art color sorting machine is a critical component in our quality control process, ensuring only the finest cashews make it to market. This advanced equipment employs high-resolution cameras and sophisticated sensors to meticulously examine each cashew, detecting and removing any discolored or defective pieces. By sorting cashews based on color, the machine effectively eliminates any inferior nuts, guaranteeing a uniform and visually appealing final product. The precision of the color sorting machine not only enhances the quality and consistency of our cashews but also significantly improves efficiency in our processing line. This technology reduces the need for manual inspection, allowing our skilled workers to focus on other essential tasks. Ultimately, the color sorting machine reflects our commitment to delivering premium cashew products that meet the highest standards of excellence. The hot chamber process is an essential step in our cashew processing, designed to enhance the texture and flavor of the nuts. During this stage, cashews are subjected to controlled, high temperatures, which helps to loosen their shells and make them easier to remove. This thermal treatment not only aids in shell removal but also contributes to the overall quality and taste of the cashews. The precision of the hot chamber process ensures that each cashew is uniformly treated, maintaining consistency throughout the batch. By carefully regulating the temperature and duration, we can optimize the moisture content and texture of the nuts, preparing them perfectly for the next stages of processing. This method reflects our commitment to using advanced technology and precise techniques to produce cashews of the highest quality, ready to delight our customers with their superior flavor and texture. The peeling process is a crucial phase in our cashew kernels production, where the outer skin of the nuts is carefully removed to reveal the pristine kernels inside. Utilizing specialized peeling machines, this step ensures that each cashew is handled delicately to avoid damage and preserve its quality. The machines employ a combination of friction and gentle pressure to effectively peel the cashews, maintaining the integrity of the nut. This meticulous attention to detail in the peeling process ensures that our cashews not only meet but exceed quality standards, delivering a product that is both aesthetically pleasing and delicious. Following the peeling process, the cashews undergo a meticulous color sorting procedure to ensure only the highest quality nuts proceed. Advanced color sorting machines equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors analyze each cashew, detecting and removing any that are discolored or defective. This automated process ensures a consistent, visually appealing batch of cashews by separating inferior nuts from the premium ones. The precision of the color sorting technology reduces the need for extensive manual inspection, enhancing overall efficiency. By ensuring uniformity and quality, this step reinforces our commitment to delivering superior cashew kernel products to our customers. The nano sorting process represents the pinnacle of precision in our cashew kernel processing line, employing cutting-edge nanotechnology to achieve unparalleled quality control. This advanced system utilizes nanoscale sensors and algorithms to detect even the smallest imperfections in each cashew, ensuring an exceptional level of detail in sorting. Unlike traditional methods, nano sorting can identify minute defects such as microscopic cracks, blemishes, or inconsistencies in color and texture that might otherwise go unnoticed. During the process, cashews pass through a sophisticated array of sensors that analyze their surface and internal structure at the nanoscale level. This ensures that only the finest cashews, free from any defects, proceed to the packaging stage. The unparalleled accuracy of nano-sorting enhances the overall quality and consistency of our products, setting a new standard in the industry. By implementing nano-sorting, we significantly reduce waste and improve efficiency, as fewer cashews are incorrectly sorted. This innovation not only guarantees superior quality but also reflects our commitment to leveraging the latest technological advancements to deliver the best products to our customers. The manual grading process is a vital step in our cashew production, ensuring that each nut meets our stringent quality standards. Skilled workers meticulously inspect each cashew, using their expertise to assess the size, color, and overall quality. This hands-on approach allows for the detection of subtle imperfections that automated systems might miss, such as slight discolorations or minor surface flaws. During the grading process, cashews are categorized into various grades based on their visual and physical characteristics. Workers handle the nuts with care, ensuring that only the best cashews proceed to the next stage of processing. This manual grading not only ensures the highest quality but also allows for the selection of cashews that meet specific customer requirements. The attention to detail in this process reflects our commitment to excellence and our dedication to providing premium products. By combining human expertise with advanced technology, we achieve a balance that maximizes quality and consistency. This meticulous manual grading process underscores our promise to deliver cashews that meet and exceed the expectations of our discerning customers. The packing process is the final and crucial step in our cashew production line, ensuring that the finished product reaches our customers in perfect condition. After the cashews have been sorted and graded, they are carefully weighed and portioned to meet specific packaging requirements. Cashews are carefully filled into tins, ensuring each tin is properly sealed to maintain freshness and quality. This method of packaging provides optimal protection during transit and storage, preserving the cashew's kernels. Workers meticulously inspect each tin to ensure it meets the perfect weight specifications, guaranteeing consistency and value for our customers. This careful weighing process ensures that every tin contains the precise amount of cashew kernels. Advanced packing machines are used to seal the cashew kernels in airtight tins, preserving their freshness and flavor. Workers carefully seal each tin to lock in freshness and preserve the quality of the cashews, ensuring they remain crisp and flavorful until they reach our customers. Each package is labeled with important information such as the grade, weight, and batch number, ensuring traceability and transparency. The sealed packages are then subjected to a final quality check. Our half cashews are carefully packed to maintain their freshness and quality, ensuring a delicious and crunchy snack for our customers. Workers meticulously fill each tin with cashews, ensuring the perfect measure to meet our quality standards. This precise filling process guarantees consistent weight and quality in every pack. Each package is sealed airtight, preserving the cashew's natural flavor and texture. This meticulous packing process guarantees that our half cashews arrive in perfect condition. Our warehouse is a meticulously organized space where packaged cashews are stored under optimal conditions to maintain their freshness and quality. Advanced climate control systems ensure that the temperature and humidity levels are consistently regulated. This secure storage environment guarantees that our products are preserved perfectly until they are ready for distribution. Our dedicated team of skilled professionals is the backbone of our cashew processing operations, bringing expertise and commitment to every step of the process. Their meticulous attention to detail and unwavering dedication ensure the highest quality standards are met. Together, we strive to deliver exceptional products that consistently exceed our customers' expectations. Our canteen facility offers a welcoming and hygienic environment where workers can relax and enjoy their meals. We provide delicious meals to our workers, ensuring that everyone finds something to enjoy. The canteen is equipped with comfortable seating, creating a pleasant dining experience for our team. Regular health and safety checks are conducted to maintain the highest standards of cleanliness and food quality. By offering this essential facility, we demonstrate our commitment to the well-being and satisfaction of our valued employees.
ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮಲ್ನಾಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 1995ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಹಿಂಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ ತುಂಬ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ಗ್ರಾಮವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಸಮರ್ಪಕವಾದ ಸೇತುವೆ ಅಥವಾ ರಸ್ತೆಗಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಕಿರಿದಾದ ಮಣ್ಣು ರಸ್ತೆಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ಓಡಾಡಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಸಮರ್ಪಕವಾದಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಸಂಪರ್ಕವೂ ಸಹ ಈ ಊರಿಗೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಹೊರ ಊರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಬಸ್ಸುಗಳ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಹ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದನ್ನು ಮನಗಂಡ ನಾವು ಈ ಹಿಂಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗೇರು ಬೀಜ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಿಶ್ಚಯ ಮಾಡಿ 1995ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ತದನಂತರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು 10 ಚೀಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದಂಥ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ದಿನೇ ದಿನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸುಮಾರು 400 ಚೀಲಗಳಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಕವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿದರೆ ಈ ಕೆಲಸದವರನ್ನೇ ಅವಲಂಬಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಕ್ರಮೇಣ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಯಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿತು. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಏರುಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸುಮಾರು 2018ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮೆಷಿನರಿಗಳು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಷಿನರಿಗಳು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದವು. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ವಿಯೆಟ್ನಾಂನಿಂದ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷನ್ನು, ಕಲರ್ ಸಾರ್ಟರು, ಚೈನಾದಿಂದ ಕಲರ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ರು ಹಾಗೂ ದೇಶೀಯವಾಗೂ ಸಹ ಹಲವು ಯಂತ್ರ ಪೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷನ್ನು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಷಿನ್ಗಳು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಈ ಸದುಪಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಯಂತ್ರೋಪಕರಣಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ 4 ಪಟ್ಟು 6 ಪಟ್ಟು 10 ಪಟ್ಟು ಹೀಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ನಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ದೇಶ ವಿದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು 28 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ನಾವು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಳೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರಣರಾದವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ ಇದರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವವರ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಿಷ್ಠಾವಂತ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಏರಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಮೈಲುಗಳನ್ನು ದಾಟಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೂರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಊರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಬ್ಬ ಹರಿದಿನಗಳು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳಾದಾಗ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ, ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ, ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಕೈಲಾದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನವರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪರ ಊರಿನವರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸದವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಈ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆಯತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು, ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
Thank you for watching our video and the journey about Malnath Cashews. We hope you enjoyed discovering the journey and values that drive our commitment to quality, innovation, and sustainability. Stay connected with us as we continue to craft nature's bounty into extraordinary cashew products.